Alright, this is a continuation of the brakes sticking. I got my phone on, Gray. Alright. Got my lights on.
Okay.
Yeah, last time I didn't turn it on. Alright. Problem we found, got an old spring, Gray. I'm gonna throw in our trash can. Problem we found out was the adjuster there was not returning all the way, so it was getting binded up, holding the brake shoe out. And this is the new spring we got. And you can see how much more it's stretched, and this end right here is kind of crooked as hell. Should look like that. Alright. The way these brakes go together is kind of backwards than what you would think it goes. Normally the spring you would think it hooks like that, but instead it don't. It goes like this, where you put it in there and then like that. It's kind of stupid, but hey, we just work on them. Alright, let's see here. Then just take it and pull a pair of pliers. Alright, like that. Alright, that'll hold it from stretching. Let's see now. We'll hit the brakes. Still sticking?
Yep.
Alright. Alright. Hey, look at it. Look at it. It's stuck out again. Here?
Yep.
It's almost like it's stuck. Like it's stuck in between, Aaron. See there? I don't like it allows it. I don't like it allows it to go. It allows it to go that far, which is too far. It can't come back. I don't see where a flashlight at. Take the spring back off. Look like the arm's bent a little bit too. You wore the fuck out. Out, bro. Is it under warranty?
Yep.
Oh, that's good.
Oh, yeah.
And these are the problems you run into. Most people edit the videos, but this is a trial and error here. So who's ever watching this video, y'all going through the same bullshit I am right now. We're paying ass on, Gray.
We do.
You can't put the other end in first. You can't put this in on first because of the stupid crooked end they got on there. I'm gonna try this here. They make a pair of pliers used for this. It should be a lot easier. But they don't take food stamps, so we can't buy them. Nah, just messing with you. I'm hating Matt. Matt, you like that? Matt, you like that one?
Yeah, I like that.
Grady, shine on our help over there. Look, that's the help we got in here, boys. It's hard at work. He's already had 3 lunches. Let's try that, Greg. Give me 5/8.5 inch wrench. So whatever. Let's see. Now I'm going to adjust the tension up on them. Looking there at that gear, take your screwdriver and adjust all this here. Every 4 or 5 turns you do it. You spin it, make sure it still spins. If you look in there, you can see there's a gear right there. You take it and pry down on that. And that adjusts to slack out the brake cables. With the brake sound like that, Greg? Alright, then tap on it. Once you get it kind of snug, tap on it. Get the brake shoe to sit even. Alright, let's see. And you want it where you just get a little bit of resistance as far as turning the wheel. Man, who made the chicken today? Huh? Oh, the girl? Ain't good?
I ain't had no chicken yet.
Alright, we'll try that, see? Alright, and there we go. What it was, combination of spring being bent, plus it was too slack, allowed it to pull the mechanism too far, because it is a little bit wore out. Because it should just self-adjust and go back, but it couldn't because it needed to replace the whole mechanism. But we're going to send it out like this. They don't want to spend no money in it. All right, man. Stay tuned.